Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Tyler Porter. Welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. Today we will be learning a whole lot of exciting things such as the alphabet, the 5 senses, the numbers, and so much more. Guess what, boys and girls? We have a special guest with us today. Can you say hello to Pete the cat, Leo, and Tyler? Say hello, Pete the cat, Leo, and Tyler. Can you help me sing the Circle Time theme song? Great, let's get right into it. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad I'm learning today, learning today, learning today. I'm so glad I'm learning today. Welcome to Circle Time. Hey, listen. Do you know your 5 senses? Great! I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alawada do do do. Oh yeah. Alawada do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. Nursery rhyme? Great! Today's nursery rhyme is Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Why, boys and girls? Because he was an egg. That is so funny. Hey, boys and girls, I have a very special surprise for you. Can you guess what the surprise is? The surprise is colors. Can you help me say the colors of the crayons? Can you help me say pink? Can you help me say blue? Can you help me say brown? Can you help me say gray? Can you help me say purple? And can you help me say black? Give yourself a pat on your shoulders because you did a great job on saying your colors. Very good. All right, boys and girls, let's jump right into our shapes. Can you say oval? Can you say triangle? Can you say circle? Can you say rhombus? And can you say rectangle? Great job, boys and girls. You just learned all of your shapes. Let's say our colors, boys and girls. Can you say black, black oval? Can you say green, green triangle? Can you say pink, pink circle? Can you say blue, blue rhombus? Can you say purple, purple rectangle? Great job for saying your colors. Guess what time it is, boys and girls? It is time to read. And today's book is called The Snowy Day by Ezra Jack Keats. Did you know readers are leaders? Let's get right into the book. The Snowy Day. One winter morning, Peter woke up and looked out the window. Snow had fallen during the night. It covered everything as far as he could see. Do you see Peter? After breakfast, he put on his snowsuit and ran outside. The snow was piled up very high along the street to make a path for walking. Crunch, crunch, crunch. His feet sank into the snow. He walked with his toes pointing out, like this. You see the footprints? He walked with his toes pointing like that. Then he dragged his feet slowly to make tracks, and he found something sticking out of the snow that made a new track. It was a stick that was just right for smacking a snow-covered tree. Do you see the tree with the snow on it? Down fell the snow, plop, on top of Peter's head. He thought it would be fun to join the big boys in their snowball fight, but he knew he wasn't old enough. Not yet. Peter wasn't old enough to play with the boys. So he made a smiling snowman and he made angels. He pretended he was a mountain climber. He climbed up a great big tall, heaping mountain of snow and slid all the way down. He picked up a handful of snow and another and still another. He packed it round and firm, and he put the snowball in his pocket for tomorrow. Then he went into his warm house. He told his mother all about his adventures while she took off his wet socks. And he thought and thought and thought about them. Before he got into bed, he looked in his pocket. His pocket was empty. The snowball wasn't there. He felt very sad. Peter was very sad. While he slept, he dreamed that the sun had melted all the snow away. But when he woke up, his dream was gone. The snow was still everywhere. New snow was falling. After breakfast, he called to his friend from across the hall, and they went out together into the deep, deep snow. Peter and his friend. The end. That was a great book to read, The Snowy Day. Good job, boys and girls, for listening to this story. Thanks for watching, kids, and learning our colors, shapes, and everything we need to know. You did great today. Bye-bye. Pete, the cat, Leo, and Tyler, can you say bye-bye to our class? Say bye.